Oh shit. Am I late? So good London session, guys. I think I found a cell setup right here. I don't know. I just glanced at the chart and looking at the chart, thinking about this is could be the setup, but I don't know. Where's the midnight? Oh, it is. Oh yeah. Bounce on the view app. I'm selling. That's quite fast, isn't it? Oh, the sound is here, back again. I don't want to be intimidated by the MT5 sound, so I will just be muting it. So my entry is just exactly here. Let me set alerts on the 5 handles. And or it could be the target. I will explain about this trade later on after I set this up. Please wait. The target could be at the midnight. Midnight can be the TP1, and the TP2 could be the Asia low. Simple as that. Simple as that. TP2. Alright, guys, let's go. The price is a bit aggressive today. And the first time on the London session I'm seeing such an aggressive move. But I don't know, this setup can be wrong, because there was no market structure shift here, but I entered because I don't know, I just like confident enough. Please do not follow my style, because we also have the gap above here and the new week and the new day opening gap, which is over here, which stands just within our stop loss, my stop loss. If you don't enter the trade, it's like 5 handles. Is my mic on though? Oh yeah, it is, I think. Yep. Let me calculate where the 5 handle will be. It's around here. 499. A little bit room for the spread and stuff. TP1 is there, but I think I'm confident enough if I hold this trade that it will be go to the TP1, at least to the midnight level. But looking at the DXY here, I'm using the previous week projectile. This is also shared by Riots on the Discord, and at the same time it's referencing to ICT, to Mike, that the possible draw on liquidity could be here on the buy side here, this relative equal highs, because we just fill this daily CB. We could potentially go to this level, which means the dollar index will be stronger, pushing our indices down. That's just the simple way to annotate that. That's why I kind of believe that price will be smashing the TP1 on the midnight, and even better to the TP2 for this setup. Oops! Oh my God! I moved the alert. Where's the 5 handles? Around here. Okay. All right. Let me manage my stuff first before I talk freely, I guess. Screenshot. Boom. Where London setup? It's 14th August 2023. Alright. Okay, continue. So I forgot one thing, to paste this level to my trade. Okay, take profit. Boom. Okay, alright. Set. Pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, I think finally I can talk freely now, answering some messages maybe in the Discord. Oh, if you haven't yet joined the Discord server, lots of awesome people there, lots of things that you can learn from. You can join through this link I provide. There's nothing paid, just pure community. We can grow up together. So okay, let me. Oh, what's this? Okay, continuing on why did I took this sell trade? Because again, on the DXY, I think it's pretty much if it's not today, it can't be today because but the overall bias is going to possibly go here, could be drawn if this low right here is still respected. So the price will not be like go straight up or even smoothly, but it can retrace down back and forth. But as long as it still respect this low, it will maintain the bullish momentum. That's what I acquired from ICT, the mentor. I'm not reading it by myself. I don't have the skill yet. Okay, looking at the Nasdaq, we have it's a daily. Couple of points to the monthly CB. It's also bearish scenario, I think, if the DXY is going up. But here is the thing, it has not made any market structure shift, which is a must on our sell trade, right? But why did I took that trade? The simple explanation is here. Let me go back here. We are currently on the London session. Oh, I keep scrolling this thing. Can I lock the alert? 5 handles. It's around. Oh, I can just do this. And bro, I can't now I want to move this. It's just not possible. Is it locked? What is locked? Oh, it is locked. Let me lock it. I can't lock it now. Genius. Can I? No. Whatever, man. It just I have no idea. All right, that will do. That's just the drawings. Okay, get back again. Come on, my laptop is just freezing. Maybe because it's getting kind of hot here in my place. At my place. Let me read some messages first. Okay. Why I took this trade? It because we are above the midnight level here at 4456 on a cap. One checklist. The second checklist was not checked yet, which should be the market structure shift, right? From the opening hour, the market structure shift should be here at least, but it bounced here. It's not broken, but it bounced. But I took it here. It's even kind of 50-50 chance. But one thing that I make that catches my attention is this level of VWAP being respected here. Bounce, very good, making this equal low. But before this happened, yeah, I just kind of, because I traded this level a couple of times, testing back and forth. It's the indicator made by Oli. Shout out to the guy, he's pretty awesome. If you want to meet him and talk in person, you can just join the Discord server. Well, he has a lot of things to spill out if you want to dig into him. No gay shit, but you know, if you have question about what we're doing or what he's doing, hop on. He's a very welcoming guy. So this indicator is pretty neat. It has all of the levels. Look at that. I know if you don't understand, you might be lost on what the fuck is this. Yeah, the guy just showed up, joined the OnlyFans. It is. He's on the OnlyFans. But it is. I mean, some of these level, if it's being used like you know, in a good way, it could be like a great levels to trade. It's either for your opening position or the targets. And why I don't take buys, because the closest liquidity that we have is up here, which is already kind of tapped. It's like if Riot saw this, he might be calling it that it's a Reaper, right? Gap. I don't know if this gap counts, but you know, trade it down. I don't know if it needs to trade it up again, but I don't know if it's bounce here and then go back. I don't know. Oh my god. So I don't know. Yeah, the price seems to respect the VWAP level very good, and as we can see, even though it crosses, it pulled back down again aggressively, which means the level is being respected very good. And we only like around 5 handles to the Hong Kong gap above here with opening gaps. If the price moving closer to this, I think I have two options. It's either to move the stop loss a bit here, so the price will have some room to breathe, or if it hit stop, then I can like re-entry after this level is filled and the sell setup appears again within the hour if it stopped. Okay, so that's the point. So this was a type of aggressive entry for me, because if I were more conservative, I will not be having any trade right now, because there is no market structure shift printed on the chart. So it's the aggressive version of entry here of the silver bullet. Looking at the NQ, it's the same thing. We don't have any shift on the market, just a consolidation here, respecting the VWAP level also, and so close to this previous day close and the week opening gaps. What is that? It's the ND. Overlapped the ND OG and the NWOG, because it's Monday and new week, so that's why. There's still no trade 2 here on the NAS if I'm waiting for all of the checklist. Okay, so the DXY made market structure shift here during the opening hour. This goes down, all of the indices will go up, but it's kind of close to the week opening gap and day opening gap, and to these levels. I will like to see that the DXY reach its destination first, so it will pull back up to its original trend. Not original, but I mean like the daily target of this buy side here. Yeah, that's what I like to see, because if the DXY achieve the goal first, then I will not have to worry about my stop loss getting touched, because probably will it up a bit, and then since the DXY is going up, then it will drop like to synchronize the price. Maybe that's just my thought process on this session today. So okay, I don't know. Rule number 1: don't ever touch your damn stop loss. Number what? Number hashtag number 1: don't ever touch your damn SL. Oh, you mean don't move it? Yeah. I kind of fucked myself up playing around with my stop loss. I moved it somewhere around here and then just getting tapped too, and that's just like a waste of stop loss. So okay, thank you very much for reminding me, and I will be sticking myself to this. If it stopped, then the option is either to wait for another session if there is no clear setup, or if there is another re-entry possibility, then I'll get on that. Thank you very much. That's just how powerful the community is. Even just one voice can change everything. Yes sir. Okay, I think I'll just leave it there and watch it happen. Like that. Alright. Mm-hmm. It's still consolidating, not making any shift. DXY. Is it arrived? Not yet. It's around. Oopsie. Oh, the indicator of overlapping. It's around. How to read this? 200 points or 20 points? 20 pips? Yeah, just round that. Nasdaq is going up. Okay, this is not a good sign. But I will not be interfering my trade just because I see something. Because I think if NAS is completing this objective again on the gaps, it drives down, and the DXY is complete this and drives up, then the SPX is just gonna follow. Oh yeah, I will not be interfering my trade. If it's a stop loss, then it will be a stop loss. But if a 5 handle hits, then BE is the only first move after the trade open. Okay, I'll get back in a couple of minutes. Gotta answer some chats in the background. Alright, what do we got? A stop loss trade. Lol. Is it touch? Oh, it's about to. Shit. I don't want to hear my voice in the background. It's pretty weird. It's gonna be stopped right here. Oh, not yet. Oh, my MT5 are very close due to the spread. Okay, so the first trade of this London was a loss one. I'll update the thing here. SL hit. So again, I wouldn't be surprised that this trade stopped because I did the entry when the checklist was not filled. That's why. I wouldn't be surprised. I'm not blaming anything for this because it's pure lack of checklist on the trading plan. No problem. Now let's observe on what's the price gonna do because it's arrived at this opening gap levels already. Let me take a look at the Nasdaq too. Oh, it's rallied up too. Oh, it's even arrived at the Hong Kong gap. What about this? Not yet the Hong Kong gap. What about the XY? It's finally touched the gaps here and showing some losing of downside momentum. Okay, now if the market lets me get another opportunity to go short, then I'll do it. What about Forex? I don't look at Forex. Oh, this, okay, this could have been the Forex entry right here. Entry there, stop maybe here. Target the, where's midnight? Where's midnight? Okay, it's aggressively pulling down the XY up. This should be also aggressively pulling down now. Okay, just on the gap. Why do I do this? Where's the midnight? Oh, midnight was here. Oh, but it's also not a proper setup because midnight is already below this. So no entry to over there if we are following the checklist. I will delete this entry now to make the chart cleaner for my eyes to see. Okay, is there any market structure shift to the upside? There was here. No. Okay, no. 3 here. If we've followed the gap, the fair value gap blindly on the setup, not, oh shit, how to pull this thing, bro? Okay, not following any other bias or stuff, this could be the entry, but it's not healthy entry too. It's only 5 candles to the upside, which is not a high damn, bro, a high probability setup. So one loss. This is the status, the current status. We are still halfway on the trading hour. It's 31 now, 3:31 in the morning. So got a lot of times to Observe the market movement. Let's wait. Oh, you know what? What's missing from the live stream? The music. Damn, no, don't add me like that. Boom. Alright, now we're chilling. I was thinking about what's missing from my life. Not life, but live stream. It turns out it's the music. Oh, it's lagging again. It's lagging again, lagging again, lagging again. Hmm. This level looks juicy too. The Asia high close to the HK gap and the previous new week opening gap. And also previous day highs reside over there. That's a setup if we're looking to this. But since my eye is only capped into the 1 minute chart, then that is not my setup for today. Stick to my sell bias. And for now, what I'll be looking at is that the price start to lose the momentum to the upside, maybe move up a little bit to the gap, just to touch it, or this type of move is kind of okay. 0.4 handles, acceptable. What I want to see is the price start to move down and making a structure shift with a displacement and leaving a fair value gap. Just a regular setup. Then I will enter the market again. But since then, I lay back. There's nothing more slow than the first session of the week. Just gotta chill into it. It was this bullish because NQ swept the lows of Fridays. Let me review it. This one? I see. Yeah, as I said earlier, I wasn't paying attention to that far of a level. Kept only on this level and the 1 minute chart. That's why I caught off guard. But if we were bullish here on the 3, the entry, I don't find any entry too, because we're above the midnight, and this level just makes me doubting myself, because that's not gonna be a high probability setup. The best is going to be not taking any trades, because of the buy is not high probability, but we are still looking for the downside checklist. It's totally on me on taking that short, early short. It's totally on me. Yeah, the best position till this second should be no trades at all, I think. I see. Thank you for the insight. I wanna open something. It's this one. Okay. What do we have here? A good swing to the upside. Another one. But I would like to use this level as the market structure shift, and in which I think the indicators also will use this as the reference point too, but let's see. But we don't have the fair value gap still, just gotta wait. I'll wait. The NAS is moving back to this level, but it bounced. And I will. Oh, where is the MSS on NAS? It's down here. Damn. Because it's just rallied bullish like mad. Oh, of course. Crazy. Look at the DXY now. DXY rallied down still to the gap level, and WOG and the NDOG. So okay, let's keep an eye on this. Okay, as you can see, the indicator print the shift too. Is it? I don't know. I don't think so. Yes, it is this red. This red line is the market structure shift from the indicator, which is just on my level here. Now what I would like to see, if the price is leaving this fair value gap, then that will be my another entry. Oh, the 5 handle is also kind of close to above the HK gap, which is kind of good. So yeah. Yep. I will do the entry as this one if the fair value gap is left open. Three seconds. Okay. If this candle trades up to the FEG, I'm going to short. Okay, I shorted because I'm an aggressive piece of asshole. Aggressive piece of trader. So I'm in. The target is like, I will say that the target will be the same as previous. Where was that? I don't remember. Target was that Asia low? Let me look back on the Discord. Ah, yeah, it is. It was Asia low. Break even at 5 handles. TP1 at midnight. TP2 at Asia low. I don't have to do that. Oh, it's lagging as fuck. What's that? I'm just having fun here. Alright. So this is my second entry of the London session. which will be also my last entry, despite of whatever will happen with this. Loss or profit, this is my last entry on the London session. This is the way to limit the daily drawdown of a percentage. It's pretty good. It works like a charm, believe it or not. London setup again, re-entry here, 14/08/2023, re-entry. Let's hope that this trade is going to fill our TP. The 3 minutes also form the gap. 5 minutes, it's still on progress. Around 1.5 minutes. Alright. Bro, my chart, my laptop is lagging. Okay, the original position should be triggered by now. Triggered. Finger trigger. My god, my laptop is lagging. What is happening? Help. Let me open my task manager real quick. What caused the lag? It's gonna be the temperature. Oh, it is pretty hot. I need a fan, extra fan. Hello. Probably got too many apps running at the same time. What's this? The memories. Still lagging. Help. I will leave this fan here. You probably heard it. Hear it, the fan like whooshing. The price is rolling back up again, guys. Oh, is it on? Let me see another stuff. The NQ rallied up again, since it has not shifting. Yeah, but the shift is down here. Not gonna wait for that. Let's look at the DXY. It's still not breaking up. Is it a false move by the SPX or the ES? Could be. And I became a liquidity. I'm a liquidity provider. Is it going to wipe this high and then go down? Since that I still have room. Who knows? Let's see. I don't think so, because the move is so aggressive. I don't think it's just a wipe. If the move like slowly creeping up, then that will be a wipe. Let's see now what's gonna happen here. Oh, it's shifting again to the upside. So yes, this move was just collecting order. It bounced on the VWAP too. That's why I trusted the VWAP, as I saw it previously here. But it failed to break this level. Okay, stop hit again, second time on the London session. I'm not gonna trade anymore. That's wow. Well, look at that move. Oops, I dragged something. Oops, what's that? Another stop hit. Hit SL. Okay, I'm gonna delete the trade again. Right. So let's look back to review, at least to enrich our brain about what was happened. On the 5 minutes, is this also wiping the Friday low? I see. Okay, I see. So ES and Q has wiped the Friday lows, as Oli said on the live chat. But since I was hopping on the chart like mad, not I mean so on time that not giving me enough time to review what was happening back to the days, but only focused on the 1 minute time frame on the closest levels. That's not wrong. Nothing wrong in trading. It's just you followed your setup and everything is still good. So if the bullish that we use was buy, then after the open of London, where's the first fair value gap? Here. This could be the entry. I'm not regretting anything, I'm just learning. Here, this move was a BE move. So what I've learned from Silver Bullet Hour a couple of times. Oh wow, look at that. It tapped this. Very beautiful. What I learned from that, how many handles? 16. Wow, okay. Did anyone catch that trade? So what I've learned from Silver Bullet Hour is, from the first setup, which happened here, the price will likely to go back down again once, at least once, to stop the break-even trades or to pick up another orders, and then rally it up. Look at that move. But since that I don't have the bullish bias for this session, I don't think that this move was the break-even move. I will call it a break-even move, right? That's why I sold again here, which obliterated by this very next move. So okay, that's just the recap on what's going on the London. Took 2 losses for the record. 2 loss with us. Okay, since I'm ending it now, I'm gonna delete that. Boop. Because too many things going on the chart, just making my laptop run very poor. Looking at the NQ, it also run very bullish after respecting the VWAP too. Look at that. Just tap and gone. But the midnight is still below, so yeah. On the DXY, oh, it broke through the gap here, day and weekly gap. Maybe going somewhere first before it's, as I said, it could go back down, but as long as it's not breaching the low of this move, then it should be still on a bullish trend. So okay, since I got no trade margin left for the London, and it is also around 1 minute before the London session silver bullet is end, I'll just chill for a bit, waiting for the seconds to tick out. And this was happened during the macro, right? Yes, the 50 macro drive the price really hard up. Within the 5 minutes, it went like 20 handles. That's just a crazy thing about this macro. This was the macro time. 50, 350, boom, damn. Okay, learn something new. Learn or earn. No losing. Okay, it is officially end the silver bullet hour, so I'll catch you guys in the AM session later. I hope you continue your day as good as always. Alright, be safe guys. Bye bye.